In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to break down the expenses, what I've spent in my first full calendar month of being full-time in the motorhome. So this is for May 2018. For those of you who don't know, I am in France. I'm going to be touring in France for most of the year until it starts to get cold, and then I'll probably head into Spain. So what I've done is I've got a blog post where I've got this all kind of broken down, but of course many people prefer video to blog. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to read it off and explain what it is. So the expenses in descending order. So the highest one, food, €240.44. That is nearly all from supermarkets. There's very little else. And I find food here in France is quite expensive, probably a little bit more than the UK, and I would actually spend a lot more than that if I wasn't being just a little bit frugal there. So I'm quite surprised at how much I've spent on that. Next, repairs. So €160.78. What that includes is the money that I spent getting the second part of the work done on my fridge, which I had recently, and also some maintenance. So I bought, this is things which I've got in my other video actually. I bought some ice blocks to help with the fridge. I bought some fluids for the, some chemicals for the toilet, a little bits and pieces like that. So some of it is kind of essential maintenance and other things are just a one-off. The next one is parking, €107. Now this I am really pleased with, because I had budgeted for about €300 a month on parking. What my thought was, based on my research, is that most of the paid park ups are around €10 a night. But what I found is that as time goes on, I'm getting better and better at finding the free park ups. And so I'm actually spending a lot more time now parking for free than paying, which is pretty cool. Gas as in gas that I cook on, €73. Now that includes the purchase of a second bottle. Buying the bottle was a one-off. That was another €35. So now I have 2 gas bottles, so I do not need to buy any more bottles until I leave France. And so from now on, all I need to do is exchange my empty bottle for a full one, and that is €19.50 every time I do that. And I'm not quite sure how long they're going to last, so it's a work in progress. Next is diesel, $64.77. Now that's slightly misleading, because I haven't actually driven very much this first month. I've only done 301 miles in May, and that's mainly because of this bloody fridge, where I was staying close to Cahors when I needed to get the work done, so I didn't move around very much. And so I've only actually filled up twice in that time, and then I filled up just in June. So, but what I do is I track every time I fill up. I make a note of how many miles I drove since the last fill and how much it cost, and work out how much per mile, and then I average the previous 6, and currently it's sitting at 25 cents per mile. So if I drove 1,000 miles, it'd be €250. Pretty expensive. France, it's much more expensive than the UK, and I know it's a lot more expensive than, say, the United States. Next we have just souvenirs and fun stuff, just €40.80. So for that's things like I've bought a couple of fridge magnets, I've bought, there's some food which I buy which I've put in the food section, but other stuff is just purely kind of buy more, kind of stuff I'm buying more as a souvenir. And then lastly, laundry, €13. All in all, that comes to €699.79. That's under €700 for a month. And considering some of that is repairs, some of that is a spare gas bottle, that's good. So I am very pleased with that. So yeah, that's the expenses. That's pretty much it. If you want to see like the breakdown written down, it's in the blog post, which I'll put in the link below. And I'll do one of these every month. And then I think, you know, when I leave the country and go somewhere else, because I'm traveling slowly, I'm going to be spending several months in every country that I go to. I'm not kind of doing 50 countries in a year kind of thing. So At the end of each country, I'll do a breakdown of the whole thing spread out over the country.